Sweet potatoes, vibrant, versatile, and loaded with nutrients, are a true powerhouse in the world of healthy eating. Whether you're looking to add more color to your meals, boost your vitamin intake, or simply enjoy delicious flavors, sweet potatoes are an outstanding choice. Today, we're diving into 5 easy and refreshing sweet potato recipes that anyone can try at home. Perfect for busy families, health enthusiasts, or anyone who loves wholesome comfort food, these recipes are simple, quick, and guaranteed to impress. Let's discover how to turn this humble root vegetable into the star of your table. Our first recipe is a classic with a vibrant twist: sweet potato and avocado toast. To begin, slice a medium-sized sweet potato lengthwise into half-inch thick slabs. Pop these slices in your toaster or oven and roast until they're tender and slightly crispy around the edges, about 10 to 15 minutes. While the sweet potato toasts cook, mash a ripe avocado with a sprinkle of sea salt, a dash of lime juice, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a gentle kick. Once your sweet potato slices are ready, spread the creamy avocado mash generously on top. Finish with a sprinkle of microgreens, a squeeze of fresh lemon, and a light drizzle of olive oil. This gluten-free, nutrient-packed breakfast or snack is not only satisfying but also a feast for the eyes. Sweet potato and avocado pair beautifully, delivering fiber, healthy fats, and a boost of antioxidants to start your day on the right note. Next up is a refreshing sweet potato and black bean salad, ideal for lunch or a light dinner. Begin by dicing 2 medium sweet potatoes into bite-sized cubes. Toss them with a bit of olive oil, cumin, and smoked paprika. Then roast in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until golden and tender, about 25 minutes. While the sweet potatoes cook, rinse and drain a can of black beans and chop some cherry tomatoes, red onion, and fresh cilantro. Once the sweet potatoes have cooled slightly, combine all the ingredients in a large bowl. Add a simple dressing of olive oil, lime juice, honey, salt, and pepper, then toss to coat. This salad is packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and vibrant flavors. It's perfect as a main dish or as a hearty side at your next gathering. For our third recipe, let's embrace a cozy favorite: creamy sweet potato soup. Start by peeling and chopping 3 large sweet potatoes, 1 onion, and 2 carrots. In a large pot, heat a splash of olive oil and sauté the onion until translucent. Add the carrots and sweet potatoes, plus a couple of minced garlic cloves, and sauté for a few minutes more. Pour in 4 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth, bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until the vegetables are soft, usually 20 to 25 minutes. Using an immersion blender or a regular blender in batches, puree the soup until silky smooth. Stir in a can of coconut milk for extra creaminess, and season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. Garnish with chopped chives or a dollop of Greek yogurt for a protein boost. This soup is warm, velvety, and comforting, making it a go-to for chilly evenings or a quick, nourishing lunch. Recipe number 4 is sweet potato fries with herbed yogurt dip, a healthy alternative to traditional fries that will satisfy your snack cravings. Cut 2 large sweet potatoes into thin strips or wedges. Toss them with a tablespoon of olive oil, a little cornstarch for crispiness, and your favorite seasonings. Try garlic powder, paprika, and a touch of cayenne. Spread the fries out on a lined baking sheet, making sure they're not crowded, and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway through. While the fries bake, mix Greek yogurt with chopped fresh herbs like dill, parsley, and chives, plus a squeeze of lemon juice, salt, and pepper. The result, a zesty, creamy dip that perfectly complements the sweet, crispy fries. This snack is not only lower in fat than traditional fries, but also rich in vitamins and irresistible flavor. Finally, for a sweet and satisfying treat, try our 5th recipe: sweet potato and banana pancakes. In a mixing bowl, mash 1 cup of cooked sweet potato and 1 ripe banana until smooth. Add 2 beaten eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Mix until just combined. Heat a nonstick skillet over medium heat and lightly grease with coconut oil or butter. Pour small rounds of batter onto the skillet and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until golden brown and set. Serve your pancakes warm, topped with a drizzle of maple syrup, fresh berries, or a sprinkle of chopped nuts. These pancakes are gluten-free, naturally sweetened, and packed with fiber, making them a wholesome breakfast or dessert option the whole family will love. Each of these 5 easy and refreshing sweet potato recipes brings something unique to your table. From the savory crunch of sweet potato toast to the comforting creaminess of soup and the irresistible sweetness of pancakes, there's a recipe for every taste and occasion. Plus, sweet potatoes are brimming with vitamins A and C, potassium, and antioxidants, making them a smart choice for anyone focused on wellness. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your meals isn't just delicious, it's also a great way to support your overall health. Their natural sweetness makes them a favorite among kids and adults alike, while their versatility means you can enjoy them baked, mashed, roasted, or blended. Whether you're meal prepping for the week, looking for a colorful dish to share, or simply exploring new flavors, these recipes offer inspiration and nourishment. If you're new to cooking with sweet potatoes, remember to store them in a cool, dark place to keep them fresh. Scrub them well before cooking, and feel free to experiment with your favorite herbs, spices, and toppings. Sweet potatoes pair well with both savory and sweet ingredients, so don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey through 5 easy and refreshing sweet potato recipes. If you found these ideas helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips and delicious recipes. Let us know in the comments which recipe you're excited to try, or share your own favorite way to enjoy sweet potatoes. Until next time, happy cooking and stay well.